Looking for an easy way to sell digital products online? In this video, we'll review Gumroad, covering its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's the right platform for creators in 2026. Introduction. Gumroad is an e-commerce platform designed for creators who want to sell digital products, memberships, courses, ebooks, software, and even physical products without building a full online store. So it is worth using. Let's find out. Features. Gumroad keeps things simple. You can create a product page in minutes and start accepting payments almost immediately. Key features include sell digital and physical products, offer memberships and subscriptions, built-in payment processing, discount codes and product bundles, email marketing for customers, basic analytics and sales tracking, license key generation for software products, integrations with tools like Zapier and Notion. The biggest advantage is that you do not need any coding skills or web development experience. Pricing. Gumroad doesn't charge a monthly fee for its standard plan. Instead, it takes a percentage of every sale, making it beginner friendly since you only pay when you earn money. However, transaction fees can become expensive as your sales grow, so larger businesses may eventually prefer platforms with fixed monthly pricing. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Very easy to set up, no monthly subscription required, supports many digital product types, built in payment processing, great for independent creators and beginners. Cons. Of course, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides. Number one, transaction fees can add up. Number two, limited store customization. Number three, fewer advanced marketing features than platforms like Shopify, not ideal for large e commerce businesses. Final verdict and conclusion. If you are selling ebooks, templates, digital downloads, software, or online courses, Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms to get started with. But if you need advanced store customization, inventory management, or powerful marketing tools, you will likely outgrow it over time. That is our quick Gumroad review. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know down below in the comments if you will use Gumroad or not. Check out our other software reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.